Hi everyone, my name is Llewellyn. I would like to show you how to add large amount of code in a post in Canvas, which makes it more convenient for everyone else viewing your code and scrolling to other posts. So first of all, there's this HTML editor button here, which if you click that, it hides the rich content editor, which is what you actually see when you are in this view. So here we are able to see the HTML and actually change it and add our own. So for example, if I was to just you'll see that it added this paragraph tag here for us. So I have some code which I reuse mostly every week wherever I need to post stuff, and it's this little snippet here. So we see there is have a div tag and a closing div tag and a pre-tag. Now this pre-tag is only required if you're doing code. You could also use it just for normal large size text. So we have a style tag here and some CSS height, width, border, solid, overflow, auto. This is what actually creates the little scroller for your code, and you can change this number from 400 to 600 or whatever you would like, even less, like 200 or something. So that will also work nicely. Now I'm also going to show you quickly how I set up my references. So for now, to demonstrate this, I thought, okay, let's take the code from this week's module and paste that in here. So we have this week's modules code. Gonna use that as a demonstration, and then I'm gonna just select all this, cut it, and paste that in here. Okay. Now there is a little trick here. If you see these two tags here with the include statement, I'm gonna first copy them again, then gonna go back to the rich editor. You'd see, oops, they're gone. If you go back, you'd see that they were removed. So I'm gonna paste them in again. What I usually do to avoid that from happening is I just add these little hyphens, then go back and remove them when we are here. Then they don't get removed and they get converted instead, which is what you actually want. So here's all the code. Sometimes it's good to take it from this view, paste it in your IDE, and just give it a run, see if anything is broken, and then fix it. But it's most of the time it doesn't mess up anything. But it can happen because it converts all these little arrows and stuff to HTML entities. Okay, and then our references. I use a tool called TetroBib. TetroBib. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It works very easily. So if we go back to this week's code, it won't work with this because this is behind a login. It's behind a logged in thing, so it can't look at the page. So using this page as an example, you would take the URL and paste it in here and click cite. It will then give you this output, and if you've already pasted once before, it will add it to that list. So I already pasted some before, so I'm remove that one, and then scroll down to the bottom. You'll see that there is this copy HTML. So this is other URLs I've pasted. Just paste them in your site, and then they build the little HTML for you, which you then can come to Canvas and let's again go to the HTML, and underneath that we paste that in. So that should give us the following. Nice. That's just a demonstration of how to add code to the canvas area. I hope that's helpful to some of you, and see you guys next time.